women, more women to come out to the track. We have a lot of women that run or ride on the West Coast, and most of them don't know that they could be competitive at the track. So I'd just like to get them at the track.
You go, girl. Yes, indeed. Ladies, did you hear that? Thank you, by the way, for stopping back for another video here on the CycleDrag YouTube channel and CycleDrag.com Facebook. As the young lady just mentioned, she wants more women involved in motorcycle drag racing. So do me a favor, as you watch this video, share with a female rider who you think could do this, or tag them down below. It may be easier than you think, ladies, especially with the right coaching. In the meantime, let's find out more about this young lady from the desert with an impressive Suzuki Hayabusa.
My name is Megan Hill. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada, and this is my Gen 1 Turbo Hayabusa. My day job, I am a functional IT analyst for the local county, and I run a small fabrication business with my husband called Megan's Welder. So I started racing, doing testing tunes about 4 years ago. So I'm mentored by Tommy Bolton. He does that from the phone, from Oklahoma, helps me. We think the bike can go mid-8s to low 8s. That's what we're thinking. And as far as my challenge is being aggressive with the throttle. So I don't have a two-step, so it's just me. I have to initiate going fast. I have to make myself go fast. I have to be aggressive, and I'm still learning. But racing plans for the future are going on right now. My husband is in the process of building a Gen 2 bike that will be 100 horsepower more than this bike, and hoping to go 7s in that one. And as far as my goals for racing, honestly, it's just to get more women to come out to the track. We have a lot of women that run or ride on the West Coast, and most of them don't know that they could be competitive at the track. So I'd just like to get them at the track. So my first under 9 pass was an 8:94, just barely, but I made it. And honestly, it was uneventful, and that's just because nothing happened, nothing bad happened, nothing stuck out. So I remember watching my thumb, doing all the shifts, and watching the tack, and watching my throttle hand roll the throttle. So it was like almost slow motion.
Well, congratulations once again, Megan. Congratulations on getting that 8-second pass. We know you're going to keep digging. We know you're going to get down into the 820s, maybe even the 7s. The sky is the limit. You got a great team and a great attitude. So remember, please share this video with any ladies that you feel like could do this. Megan's right. We need more women out here on drag bikes or on street bikes learning to drag race. Trust me, easier than you think. Also want to give a shout out to Megan and her husband. Check this out, guys. They have a 3D printer. Look what they made me. CycleDrag.com. How cool is that? And check out this motorcycle. This was made on their 3D printer. Thank you guys so much. Cycle Drag Universe, I have a big heads up for you. Many of you have commented on these great looking crew shirts that we have. I want to thank Pro Things. Jason Allen outdid himself. The look, the carbon fiber, the fit. Anyhow, Jason Allen from Pro Things has graciously made these shirts available once again. So if you would like to get one for a limited time only, the link is down below. All different sizes available, ladies' sizes available. Make sure you get on there and get your official CycleDrag.com crew shirt. They are comfortable. They are great looking. They are perfect to take to the races. Heck, there are some racers out there that want to put their whole team in these shirts, like my man Mike Shongris, Pro Mod Racer. That's certainly appreciated. If you do get one, make sure you post up a picture on Facebook of you in it and let us know what you think, guys. Thanks so much. Again, the link is down below to get your CycleDrag.com shirt.
Larry McBride here, 20-time Top Fuel champion, world record holder. And one thing I'd like to do would be thank CycleDrag.com on Facebook. And I'd like for everybody to watch and view CycleDrag on YouTube. People that help us out, help our sport out a lot. And if you don't support them, it's hard for us to get any support, guys. And just keep supporting my man Jack, and we'll be here a long time.
Hey, CycleDrag, you know we got your back. Come here for a second. Check this out. Brock's Performance Exhaust. Well, right now, if you go down below in the description, you will find a special link to save you money at Brock's Performance. Make sure you check it out. The link is down below. You can get your exhaust pipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we provided you with a little bit of entertainment. That's always what we aim to do. We love motorcycles. You love motorcycles. Let's keep this thing growing. Check it out, guys. Up here on the wall, 100,000 subscribers. I love it. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. We appreciate it. Please come with any story ideas. We love the comments and the feedback. I read every single one of them. The positivity is always appreciated. And you haters out there, I love you too, because you keep me on my toes. Thank you for watching no matter what. Guys, to keep this thing growing, please subscribe to CycleDrag on YouTube. Hit the bell for notifications. Share with some friends who like drag racing, like motorcycles. This is how we can keep this thing going. And also like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. And we'll keep rolling. We'll keep finding those stories. We'll keep finding those impressive high-performance motorcycles that you want to see. Thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate it. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycles involved, we are in. CycleDrag rolls on.